Hey, how you doing, guys? I'm Uriel with Tool Mart, and let me show you this sea snake here. This is pretty good for plumbers. We rent them, we repair them in house, and if we don't have it, we can order it for you guys. So pretty much, you just run the pipe, run it inside the pipe. You're able to see a clear image. Please note, it's also self-leveling head. You're able to see clouds in your drain with the camera that we have here. One problem that you can probably come up to is getting kinks in your cable, but that's nothing you should worry about because we can fix them in-house. This is carbon fiber, so pretty much when you have a kink, we just cut about 2 feet behind from the kink. And what we'll do, we'll retach everything that you need so that way you're back to normal. Another thing that can go bad on this deal is transmitter. Transmitter works with the locator. So let's say you have about 20 feet in, this thing would actually let you know how far are you in and where's your problem located. But yeah, please don't hesitate, give us a call. I'm pretty sure we have it in stock. If not, we can order it for you.